Previously on Caillou.
Rocket won the race last year, and if he wins this year, he'll win a really big trophy with wings. It's marvelous. Uh-oh. Look who else is here for the race. Big Jet. He's really big and really loud. Whoa! And really, really fast. Whoa! He's not happy that Rocky beat him last year. Big Jet says he's going to make sure he wins the Great Sky Race this time, no matter what. Whoa! Look, look, look! The race is about to start! Uh-oh. Leo, we've got a problem. Rocket says Big Jet did something bad. I think he broke one of Rocket's buttons. Let's